Hello everyone, today I will show you how to combine multiple PowerPoint files into one PDF file using Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. Open your Adobe Acrobat Pro PDF editing software. Now select Tools option and select your Combine Files option and select your Add Files and open your folder and select your file. This to PowerPoint files. Now select Open. Now you can add a new file. Also you can select and delete. Also you can position, change and move the file. Now select here combine. Wait for few seconds. It is combining. And see this. Our PDF file now created from PowerPoint file. And see this. And finally select this file option. Save or save as a PDF file. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comment.